So we've got question 12 now, and it asks you to work out the value of 1 2/5 plus 2 3/7, and it's given it in its simplest form. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to find a common denominator and then add the two. So 1 2/5 is the same as 7 over 5, plus we've got 2, so that's 14. This is because if you think about it, 2 is the same as 14 over 7, and 1 is the same as 5 over 5. So that's all I've done here, and then added the two things. So 14 over 7 plus 3 is going to give you 17 over 7. Okay, we now have these as single fractions, but they don't have a common denominator. If they did have a common denominator, we could just add the two. So we need to find the common denominator. So what do? We apply the cross multiplication method. So we do 7 times 7 plus 17 times 5 divided by 35. All I've done here is times the 5 and the 7 together to get 35, and then done 7 times 7 and then 5 times 17. Well, what's this the same as? That's 49. What are 17 fives? Or 18 fives are 90. 17 fives are 85. What's 49 plus 85? Well, what's 85 plus 50? 135. So, what's 85 plus 49? It's just 134. Now, what we do is we see how many times does 135 go into 134. Well, we can see it's definitely going to go 3 times. And how many are going to be left over? It's going to be 29. It's going to be 29 over 35. How have I worked this out? Well, if you see that 3 times 35 is 15, carry the 1, 9, we get 105 here. But if we add 35 to this takes us greater than 134. But if we add 29 to this, we get 134. So that's why it's 3 and 29 over 35. Next part, work out the value of 2/5 times 3/7. Give you a fraction in simplest form. Well, because these are it's just multiplication, we can just times the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom. So we get 2 times 3 divided by 5 times 7, which is the same as 6 over 35. And now can we see, does anything, well, what goes into 6? 1, 2, 2 doesn't go into 35, 3 doesn't go into 35 because 3 times 12 is 36, and 6 goes into 6, but 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 5 is 30. So this is in its simplest form.